Hello, this is Uncle Nettie's Workshop today here. I'm doing one of my first project videos today. This is a toolbox that I just completely reorganized. I got it from my father. It was his old chest for work when he worked as a tool and die maker. So here you go. Here's the tour of a well-stocked toolbox. We're going to go to the top drawer here. You got your ball peen hammers, files, pliers, a square, a ruler, a micrometer, a C-clamp, a putty knife, and a couple tape measures. Next drawer, combination wrenches, screwdrivers, and nut drivers. Third drawer, Allen wrenches, my 1/4-inch drive socket set, some drill bits, some extra ratchets, 1/4, 3/8, and half drive, and a tap and die set. Fourth drawer down, I got my 3/8 socket set, my torque wrench. Then I have my 1/2-inch drive with some ignition wrenches and some odd and end sockets. Fifth drawer down, got a hacksaw, a couple C-clamps, just stuff that I don't use. This drawer ain't the greatest drawer. This is why it's the unlined drawer. Now we'll go down to the second to the last. I got a pneumatic drill, some welding clamps, my 90-degree die grinder, my straight die grinder, which is a Dotco, and some corner clamps, and a multimeter, and just a few pneumatic things. And last but not least drawer, the deepest drawer of all. I got some resin fiber discs that I pick up at Harbor Freight. I got one hard disc. Got a wire brush, my chip and hammer, a Ryobi, and a cheap angle grinder. I also have my impact wrench and my deep well impact sockets in this drawer. So, well guys, this is the first video of all of my welding series. Enjoy!